Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find stores in the Bimba Lola application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you're done with that and you are in the home page, you should scroll all the way down here. And once that is done, you should select here the fifth option, which is stores. And here you can see the stores and you can select here a country, for example Germany, and you can write in a zip code or a city there, for example Berlin, and press search. Now after a little bit of waiting, you will be able to see a store in Berlin. You can see the telephone number there, you can see when it is open and when it is closing, and you can also see it in the map if you click on it. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.